Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This is my Pennichi from the Penny Pages, and I thought I'd do next week's spread in here today, kind of going along with my series this week of different planners. It helps me get ahead. I'm feeling like, wow, I've got a lot of my planners done for next week. So this one, I decided this week to use as my social media planner. So I haven't been using this planner consistently. I love it, but it's not necessarily one where I needed it, right? So like I wanted to use it because I love it and I think it's really cute and really fun, but I was kind of experimenting with different ways to use it. So for example, some weeks I just didn't use it. There was one week where I just did like lettering here, and you can see I had all these ideas for the other side and I didn't fill anything in. This was really fun, and I had a lot of fun doing this lettering and playing around with it. So I wanted to see if I could use it a little bit more consistently and for a purpose. I do love doing the lettering in it. I think it's perfect for that. So I might alternate back and forth with that. We're going to have to see. But this week, current week, I've been using it as a social media planner. So you can see it doesn't look anywhere near as exciting. It's not all fun and pretty and sparkly, but it's super functional. It's really fun with the stickers. But then I've been trying to figure out like, okay, I take all these pictures to post on Instagram and stuff like that. And sometimes then I forget what I have, or I put it in a folder and I know it's there, but then I don't remember I have different reels I made or whatever, you know, just playing around with the social media stuff. I love seeing everybody's creations on Instagram. I think it's really fun to share and to see what everybody else shares. So I thought if I had a place where I could write down, like, here's the stuff I have, here are the reels I made, here are the YouTube videos I want to do, then I could kind of put it on each day as I go. Then I see what I have left. I don't know. I'm playing around with it. So I'm going to do it again next week, see if it works for me. And then who knows, maybe I'll go back to the lettering every so often. Because like I said, I think that's really fun in here. The space is really perfect for a word, and kind of a word a day I think is really fun. So we'll see. And it's summer, so I have more time to do that word of a day. I don't know. And the school year, it's harder. Anyway, we'll see. So this is the current week. It's working for me so far. I feel like I can make it a little bit quicker and more functional for myself. So I'm going to try it again, see if I can speed it up. I'm going to use the Sweet Kawaii Design Summer Fun Kit. I mean, how adorable is that? I mean, the colors, rainbow everything is amazing. And the little chalk drawings and the bubbles and all kinds of cute summer fun. So I'm going to use that this week. As always, if you shop at Sweet Kawaii Design, don't forget to use a PR code. Mine is Jennifer10. I'll link that down below. I'll show you my freebie at the end of the video. But if you ever use a different code on the site, not a PR code, but one of the codes that get you a bigger percentage off on the site, you can always drop in the name of the PR freebie you want. So if you wanted mine, you could, in the instructions to seller, say, oh, I'd love Jennifer's freebie, please. If you wanted somebody else's, you could put their name in the instructions to seller. I'm talking about if you use a code on the site. It's like, you know, you can get 15% off if you spend a certain amount. You can get 20% off if you spend a certain amount. So if you decide to use one of those codes, you can still get a PR freebie because they're super cute. Okay, so I have the bottom washi down there. Isn't it cute? This bottom washi is adorable with the bubbles. And I kind of like how it just is like blue to the yellow. It leaves off the orange and the pink and the purple. Okay, then I'm going to put the dates on. I do love this font, so I feel kind of bad covering it up because I think the font is really cute in the Pennichi, but I'm a little far away. But I also really like these pink borders on the kit, for lack of a better way to say that. So we're going to go ahead and use those. I'm not a huge fan of the curly cues. I think stylistically they look cute, but I kind of cover them up. I pulled this Sweet Kawaii Design washi. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but it's really cute. It's like these happy clouds and it's perfect for this kit. I think I'm going to cover this up with this blue strip right here. A little bit above that line. And then see, what did I do on this week? Then yeah, see, I put this nice long one here because there's really not a place for me to put it over here because I'm going to be using each day. and needing to add things to each day. So I'm not going to be able to cover up a day with it like I've done in the past, which looks really cute. But all right, so that looks cute. You know what? Seeing that, I wonder if I should put the blue on the top. That might be too much blue though, and then there wouldn't be the clouds and the bubbles. Okay, decisions. So then I'm going to put the blue up here also, but I will line it up exactly with this line. Ooh, and then maybe I can put the cloud washi above it. That might look cute. Last week, or I guess not last week, but this current week that I'm using it, I put some of the bigger deco on, so I would have to find a place to use that bigger deco. Let's see what that looks like with this washi. All right, we shall see. It's not exactly the same color blue. It's just so happy. Happy clouds, which is just so summery, I think. All right, that looks good. I like it. Oh my gosh. Nope. There we go. Okay, get my metal washi card. My most favorite way to cut the washi. There we go. Oh, there's a little gap. I want to get that straight. I mean, really, it probably doesn't matter. It's like how small, but that will bug me. Now that I've noticed it, it'll bug me. If I didn't notice it, there's still a little bit there. That's okay. All right, I do like that. I don't like that I have a little bit more space up there. I wonder if I can find another little washi to put up there. Ooh, what about if I used, that's probably not going to fit. Then I don't think I could fit this up there. I don't know. No, I was going to put this on there maybe, and then put the cloud washi up there. Oh, decisions. I'm not sure what to do. Okay, I had to try it. I like it. It's not perfect. I wish the washi was a little bit smaller. Well, I wish the space, I guess, was a little bit bigger, not that the washi was smaller. But I put it up there. I did need to white out these little lines up here, because these little lines up here, they were showing through the washi. It's not perfect, but I like it, and I like how it looks over here as well. So we're going to go with it. We'll see. Okay, the little dates. Monday is the 20th. Wow, I cannot believe we are hurtling toward the end of June. That seems absolutely crazy. We're nearly halfway through the year. How did that even happen? It's so bizarre. I mean, the school year was insanity, it seemed like, from beginning to end. And now we're well into summer. It's crazy. Okay. You know, it was nice. I checked my work email, which I try not to do a lot of when I'm on. Hi, it would help if I didn't skip Thursday. I was like, wait a minute. That's not the right date. Oh my gosh. How did I skip a whole day? It's probably because I'm talking too much. If I weren't talking so much, then I would be concentrating more and not skipping a day. Anyway, I checked my work email. I do try to keep it free of junk, but not really, you know, I don't really get a lot of work emails over the summer. My principal might email, you know, when we get closer to the beginning of the year with information about coming back and stuff like that. But it was really nice. She'd sent a thank you email to the whole staff. She had meant to send it the last day of school, but it got stuck in her drafts folder and she forgot because, you know, crazy town the last day of school. And it was just the nicest email, thanking everybody for, you know, starting to establish these traditions. Our school is really young. It just opened a few years ago. And this is the first year that we were open physically the whole year. And she was new to our district and our school this year. So it was a really nice email. It made me feel good. And she's like, you know, I'm really excited about summer because she's got kids and she's going to do some nice rest and relaxation things after a hard year. But she's like, and I'm also really excited about next year. So it's pretty cool. It was a nice message to see for sure to everybody. Okay, so I do want to use these little checklists. I also use dot markers this current week. I don't think I'll use them again. I don't think I need them. I just kind of like them. So I used them, but I also used the rainbow, and then I was all paranoid that I was going to like make the wrong color dot because, you know, that's how my brain works. Because of course I should expend energy on worrying that I'm going to use the wrong color dot, because that's important in the grand scheme of things, right? No. Anyway, there's no need, because these little checklists are super cute, and there's 3 little spots, which is kind of what I'm needing for the day. So I don't think I'll worry about the dot markers. I think I will simply have these little cute hearts do their job, and it makes a really nice little rainbow down the side. There we go. Okay. I've got really fun little deco. This page, as you can see on here, I've got 3 kind of separate things. Next week, I'm not going to be making as many YouTube videos. I'm hoping for more than 1 a week. I'm hoping for maybe 2 a week during the summer, because I'll definitely have the time for that. But it won't be nearly every day like this week. So I don't need as much room down there. Maybe I'm going to use kind of these colors, because that's sort of what's in here. So I'll do my yellow, and those will be for pictures I take. And I'll do my blue down here, and those are going to be, that's going to be for the YouTube videos. And then for reels, it's, you know, Instagram is totally changing to more reel based for sure. But I really like seeing pictures too. I don't mind the reels. I think it's fun. You can see a lot of different things. You can see maybe more than 1 page in a planner. You can see a bunch of happy mail, sticker sheets, whatever. So I don't mind the reels. I don't mind the videos, but I also really like pictures. So I hope that pictures just don't disappear from Instagram, because I really like them. I don't think I need these trackers. I would, however, love to use these cute deco. And if I kind of look at how I used it this week, I did end up with kind of some room over here. This one was a little bit longer, but you know, I could always not maybe write as much. So I wonder if I could kind of squish these in. Well, I mean, the stickers are, you know, repositionable, right? So if I have to, I can always sort of reposition them, because I think it's really fun to have these little guys. Oh, look at side profile Frank. He's so cute. Dipping his little bubble wand in there. I'd love to have one over here, but well, it has to be over here because of the way he's facing. Maybe we'll put it, oh, how about there? Because that's apparently where I want it to be. I don't love the fact they're all on this side. I'd love some over here, but I don't really know. I mean, I guess I could put Peggy over there and then just, you know, put things over here. We'll try that. We'll see. It might bug me. It very well might, but we will go with it for now. And I'm wondering how I can use these. Maybe I'll kind of label the boxes like that, because I don't really need the entire giant box to do that. Okay, we'll put that here. That's cute. We'll put the little rainbow down here in that box. And I think we're set. So you can see, you know, from the Hobo Weeks kit, I still have a bunch of leftover, not a bunch, but several leftover stickers. I'll put these in my stash because these little boxes can come in handy, and why would I ever throw anything away? Who knows when I'll need something like this. So I'll go ahead and put those away. I really loved bringing the washi into this one. That's really fun. All right, everybody, have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you next time. I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow. Tomorrow's a little bit of a busier day. We've got a whole big thing going on. My husband's going to be at work. My daughter's in it, lots of stuff, but I'm going to see if I can get one done. I'd really love to. If not, I'll see you next week, but I'm hopeful for tomorrow. Happy planning.